Pawpaw Sammy and Alley-Bug here. This morning, I'm going to show you my 2-frame stainless steel honey extractor. So just come in. Instead of making a 2-hour video, I'm going to take it out, and then when I get the parts, I'll take and put it together. Ooh, that thing's heavy. And explain what I did and why I did. Towel on the table is to save a 60-year-old marriage. If I pass this table up, I'm in trouble. Now, this big boy is heavier than it looks. Ooh-wee. Ooh. There you go. Oh, that's beautiful. All right. After removing the 2 wing nuts from the ends, you're able to take the gearbox off. You have to remove this frame to be able to put the honey valve on there, the valve. Okay. Now the valve is in your ports, and you have to take all that out to put your valve on, which is very simple. You unscrew the part. All right, stick it in the hole, reach down in there, and screw it back on. All right, now that gives you control of your honey flow right there. You have an upper and lower leg. The upper leg is straight. The lower leg has a little kink in it. Now, it's very simple. You mount it with the flat piece out, and this fits right over it. You can make it this short, this high, or actually that high. It depends on what you want or what you need. Now, it's very simple. Hole here, a hole there. For simplicity, I'm leaving the bottom legs off and just putting the top on. Now, once that's done, we can go ahead and put the top back on, put it together. And from there, the rest will be history, hopefully. Okay, people, I'm back. There it is. Now, I want to show you how well balanced this thing is. See here? Watch this. I'm going to move the handle up to the top and stop it. Now, notice it's dead still. Now, watch this. Just the weight of that handle. That thing is well balanced. Look. That is a fine machine. Now, here's the trick. This is why I wanted this one so bad. This is a brood frame. Okay? You put 4 brood frames in here, like so. All right? Turn it, one here, and one here. So that's 4. Those are big frames. Okay? Now here's the good part. The little frames will go like this, sideways. Okay? One there. Now that will give you 8. 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. As so. There's your 4 by 8. Now, once you get your little frames in there, you come back with your top. There's your completed machine. Set up to go. They also sent the anchors for concrete. I think I'm gonna anchor mine on some heavy plywood so I can move it around. But there it is, people. Ready to go. Like and subscribe. Pawpaw Sammy, Daggum.